Canceling your QuickBooks Online subscription is a simple process that can be done directly within your account settings. Here's how to do it. Log into your QuickBooks Online account. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Access Account Settings. Click the settings in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Under the Your Company section, select Account and Settings. Go to Billing and Subscription. In the Account and Settings menu, click on the Billing and Subscription tab. You will see details about your subscription, including the plan type and billing information. Cancel the subscription. Under the QuickBooks section, look for the Cancel or Cancel Subscription option. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. QuickBooks may ask for a reason for cancellation or offer alternatives, like downgrading the plan. Confirm cancellation. After completing the process, you will receive a confirmation email. Your access to QuickBooks will continue until the end of the current billing period, after which your data will be available in read-only mode for a limited time.